Position the crossbeams correctly before fitting the cover. Place the cover over the trailer. Make sure the corners are aligned and fit neatly. Pull the elastic cord temporarily to hold the cover in place on the trailer. Mark the positions for the holes that will be drilled later. Mark the hole exactly between the two close grommets. Drill the holes in the marked positions so the hooks can be riveted later. Secure the hooks by riveting them into the pre-drilled holes. Release the cord from the corners and fasten the cover securely to the trailer.